it's Jason here, and welcome back to another video. And so in today's video, we're going to be making glow-in-the-dark slime. Ooh, like a ghost. These are the ingredients that you're going to need to make glow-in-the-dark slime. Contact lens solution, of course, glow-in-the-dark glue, and measuring spoons. 1, 2, 3, I got 3 of them here. And then something to mix it with, like a mixing spatula, and a bowl, of course, because what else are you going to put it in? Finally, you're going to need some baking soda. So the recipe is going to be down in the description below, so after or before you watch this video, be sure to check that out. But today, I'm going to be tripling my recipe, and I'm going to make a massive bowl of slime. Let's see how that's going to work out. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 bottles of glue. That's right. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go ahead and put in the first bottle of glue. Oh, look at how that is. Wow, like, come on. 2. It's like a big booger that won't come out. 3. Oh, 3 tooted. With the magic of television, I have already measured out my contact lens solution and my baking soda. Alright, so first we're going to pour in our baking soda and we're going to mix it thoroughly. So, mix it really good. There we go. Now we're going to mix it. Mix all day. So I mix all day. Look at how chunky it's getting. Look at that. I will conquer the mixing. Da 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 da. Now it's time to pour in your contact lens solution. Let's see, and pour that in there. It's really watery. Alright, and now mix thoroughly. Mix. You got to get all the water out to where there's no water in there. You might have noticed I said no like that. You've got to scrape the bottom of the bowl and your slime is going to start forming. You hear that? The slime is starting to form. Once you're done mixing, then you're going to need to knead it. You can't be gentle with it now, kids. You got to get in there, get all that liquid out of it. You gotta stretch it. And you gotta pull at it, and you gotta do that. You gotta get all the liquid out and all the... It's forming. I can feel it. It's drying. You gotta stretch it. Look at how thick the slime is. I think we're almost about done here. A few more seconds. This is some really stretchy slime here. Oh! Squeeze it. Look, goes through my fingers. It's making cackling sounds. See? Cackle. Alright, I believe we're done. So now, once you're finished kneading it, then now we're going to test it to see if it really glows in the dark. We're going to turn the lights out in the studio, and we're going to see if it glows in the dark. Oh! It actually does! It actually does! Woo! Woo! Look! Look at the bowl! Do you see this bowl right now? Watch this. Whoa! Watch this. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! You could like jump rope with this thing. This thing is so big. Wow. I like how this looks. It really does work. It really does glow in the dark. It really does work. Achoo! Mom! I've got a big booger in my nose. Alright guys, so that was the slime video. Glow in the dark version. And if you liked it, be sure to leave a like. Also, be sure to comment down below. And be sure to subscribe, telling us what challenge you think we should do next. Oh, and before I forget, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Woo!